Now coming over to the escape sequence. Well, escape sequence are nothing but special characters which are used to control string so that we can modify the format for the output, and these escape sequence are translated to another character or sequence of characters that can be difficult to represent directly. For example, when we want our printing cursor to move from one line to the beginning of another line, we generally make use of the /n character, which is nothing but our escape sequence. Every escape sequence is composed of two or more characters, where the first character will always be our backslash, and the characters following the backslash determines how the escape sequence is to be interpreted. Now this is the list of some of the important escape sequence along with its description. As you can see, every escape sequence is beginning with a backslash. Well, now what you can do is you can pause the video and you can go through all these escape sequences along with the description. Now that we know what escape sequences are and what are they used for, let us now try and use escape sequence in our program. Now this is the program from the previous video which showed the usage of the singing statement. Let us now try to make use of escape sequence in this program. As we have already discussed that it was because of the endl statement that in our output the information that was to be displayed was getting printed in different lines. Now let us remove this endl statement and make use of escape sequence. On removing the endl statement and adding the escape sequence, this is what our program looks like, where our /n is used to take the printing cursor to the next line, just like the endl statement, and the /t escape sequence over here is used to add a tab space in our output. Let us now go ahead and execute this program. On successful execution, we can see this is what the output of the program looks like, just like the previous program where we made use of the endl statement. On encountering the first cout statement, the message enter your name gets printed on our display screen, and because of the /n escape sequence, the printing cursor goes over to the next line. And on encountering the second cout message, the message hello gets printed, and because of the /t escape sequence, which is responsible for giving the tab space, a tab space is being displayed on the output screen, and after that the value held by the name variable gets printed. And then again one more escape sequence is encountered, because of which our printing cursor again moves to the beginning of the next line, where the message greetings from the community gets printed, as you can see. And on encountering another /n escape sequence, our printing cursor again moves on to the beginning of the next line. Now that we know what escape statements are, there is a small assignment that I want you all to do. I want you all to write a program that displays the output in this format, whereby you take all this information using the cin function from the user, and then by using the cout statement along with the /n and the /t escape sequence, you print the output in this format. That's all for this video. In the next video, we'll learn how to change the value held by a variable by making use of operators. Until then, thank you and keep coding.